District administrators can view charts and graphs on individual teacher classrooms for specific schools in their district, or for the entire school district to get a comprehensive view of student progress and identify areas where improvement is needed. To view data for your entire district, sign into your MobyMax account and click the Charts and Graphs link under Reporting in the left-hand navigation pane. You can view data for all modules or click a subject link at the top to filter the data by subject area. Select the links along the left-hand side to view data sorted by usage, active, skills, progress, and predictor. Use the drop-down menus on certain charts and graphs to view data by grade level or for a specific time frame. To view data for a specific school, click on the School tab at the top of the page. Select the school you want to view using the drop-down menu. Click the star next to the name of any chart or graph to save it to your favorites list. Additionally, click the printer icon in the upper right-hand corner to print any charts or graphs shown. To view data for a specific teacher, select the Teacher's Roster link under Administration in the left-hand navigation pane after signing in. Click on the arrow in the Go To column for the teacher you want to view. Select the Tools tab at the top of the page and click on the Charts and Graphs button. For classroom data, ensure the Classroom tab is selected at the top of the page. To view data for a specific student rostered with the teacher, click the Student tab and select the student from the drop-down menu. To get back to your district administrator account, just click the link at the top of the page. MobyMax gives district administrators access to easy-to-use charts and graphs to visualize student progress.